We are without power. This reminds me when I used to be a kid in Cuba. We had no power very often, so it's not a new thing, but it's been a while. We had a very big windstorm yesterday. But anyways, I was checking on the girls, making sure they're not in labor, and they're not yet, which is good. Too muddy and windy, and here's the gate. Just need to bring some water to refill the bucket, and I'm gonna get food for the chicken. What I give to my chickens and my goats. These are sunflower seeds with nuts in it. The nuts are protein and the sunflowers as well, but mostly it helps with the parasite go there level. Behave, okay? You have to behave. It's very bad out there. 4 and 3, 7 eggs. They're looking for the seeds. They love those sunflower seeds. Wait, don't fight. Right now it's not that cold. It's 32 degrees, something like that, Fahrenheit. So let me get the eggs to get some water and go back to the goats. The chickens still have water. They don't drink that much water, but the goats, they need water every day. And the chickens, I change the chickens' water every other day. Oye, I see you. You're the one causing trouble. Go. Come, girls. Come on. Ah. The sun is out, girls. Oh, they went away again. Well, this afternoon it's almost 4 o'clock or something like that. That's our east. The sun comes out there and it goes down to the west. So that's our north. And the south. Yeah, she has a double tit. The other one is perfectly fine, but this one is double. It's a fish tail tit. That's what they call. And yes, Talia, I have to keep an eye on her once she has her babies to make sure they can extract the milk fine, and that she's not gonna get sick of her tit or udder. Mastitis is very common on mammals sometimes because they get an infected tit. What happens is that it gets obstructed, but then the milk can come out and it gets infected, and if you don't give antibiotic and treat it on time, it could get really bad and even could kill the animals. I check on them like 3 or 4 times a day. Kind of an obsession, but since I'm doing that, I always notice any little detail, a different something about them, and I catch it on time. Because I don't treat my animals like I said before. I don't treat them with dewormers or vitamins or anything. It's just plain food, healthy food, a lot of vegetables and greens and good hay and grains and seeds and nuts, all that stuff, and leaves. So if they got all that, they don't need the extra stuff, I believe. So, but they get sick from time to time, depending on many reasons. So if that happened, I know how to treat them. Like when the Carmela, I think the other one were fighting with her, and what happened, they punched her in her face and she started creating an abscess, which I noticed on time. Right away I got antibiotic and I gave her shots for 4 days, and it went away. It went away right away. So it only took 5 days for the abscess to go down and disappear. If I wouldn't do that, then the abscess will grow bigger and bigger. She start feeling more sick. She can also create a fever, and then I have to end up cutting an incision of the abscess to get all that infection out, and that's a lot of more complicated for the animal and for me. So that's why it's important to keep an eye on them all the time. Their behavior, if they're eating and drinking good, that means they're happy and healthy, right? Right, Manola? Our willow tree, which is very young, it's right there. We protected it before bringing the goats here because they love trees, branches, and the bark of the tree. So if we don't do that, that's the first thing they were gonna do, to eat the tree, and that's the only tree here. So we planning. I'm gonna bring a big table with chairs that they can jump on it, and logs too. Once the kids arrive, we're gonna have some stuff for them to play and jump, which is gonna make it more excited. Hee hee, power came back. I'm happy, and I'm gonna, everything is very muddy, but the girls need to walk. You know, goats are rumen, that's what they call animals. They, to digest their food, they use more than one stomach. It's not like us. And in order to have a good digestion, they need to walk. Now it did stop raining, as you see, and it's still cold, but it's not raining, it's not snowing. So my eyes are watery because of the cold air coming in. But anyways, coming back here with some cookies. You guys good? Okay, I came to give you a break. Let's go outside. First I got some cookies, and let's see who wants to come out. Okay, put this out of the way. Now the cookies here. Oops. Manola. Talia. All the other ones. Okay, Carmel is so heavy. She's the last one coming. Oh yeah, don't do that. Don't do that to Carmelucci. Okay. Someone fought here. They do fork a lot. Okay, move out of the way. Let me get this out. All right. Really, Manola? That's a healthy poop. That's what you want to see in their poop. But Manola, like 5 more steps and you'll be out. Now I'm gonna clean that. Well, the power is out again. They say it could last until Monday afternoon. Oh my goodness. Something really big happened. They said there's a lot of power outages around the area. I'm here in the kitchen. I'm gonna prepare some sandwiches. That'll be dinner for tonight, like I did yesterday. And I want to point out that it's super important to have a backup system in case this happens. We have a fireplace that works with gas, and with that we are heating the house, which is great. And my stove is a gas stove. It won't have the sparkle, automatic sparkle, but you can turn it on with this. Let me show you. See if I can do it with one hand here. See? We have a generator. It's a very old generator. And we've been using it only at night for the regular heater and some other stuff. I feel like in the Harry Potter castle, for me, it's fantastic. It's fine. It's a little bit of fun, all this. The only concern if the goat's going labor. Yeah, that wouldn't be that much fun. I end up making me something else because I had a sandwich yesterday. So I have some avocado. I opened a salmon can and I just put some honey mustard on top of it. I have some rice in the fridge that I heat up and a little bit of salad, which is pak choy and carrots. And I got someone here waiting for some of my food. Here. Don't do that. Eat the carrot. I know you like carrots. Come on. Don't play with it. There you go. See? He likes vegetables too. This is Milo. Okay, Milo, a piece of the fish. Here. That is gonna eat right away. One more piece of carrot and that's it. There you go. Good boy. No, Milo, don't play with it. Eat it. Eat it. Mmm. Good boy. Oops. Let me help you. There you go. You don't want it? There. No, Milo, don't do that. Milo. Eat your food, Milo. Good. Come on, eat it. There you go.